Today is a great day. Do you know why?
Why?
Because today is World Chocolate Day.
Which should be every day,
Every
right?
day,
Every day should be World Chocolate Day. And we thought, what better way to celebrate than to learn how to make a traditional chocolate treat?
Oh, I'm so with you. And our own Malou Nubla, another chocolate lover and not to be truffled with, see what I did there? Found the sweetest spot chock full of sweets. Oh, we're on a roll here. Hey, Malou.
I got the sweet job today, right? Yeah. Happy World Chocolate Day. Jess and Danny are at Shaw's in San Francisco, and we are about to make some chocolate treats with Diana. Hi, Diana.
Hi.
So Shaw's has been here since 1931. This is such a special place.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah. What makes it so special?
I think a lot to do with the history, and we just try to keep everything really high quality and really fun. And
You haven't been here since 1931.
Oh, no.
All right. So for World Chocolate Day, what are we going to make today?
We're going to make turtles.
Okay.
And
Why turtles?
I chose turtles because they're really easy to make at home. Everybody really, really likes them. When I go to Michigan, where I'm from, my family's always, bring us turtles, bring us turtles. So now they can make their own, and I don't need me to bring them anymore.
Okay, so what are we going to do here?
So the first step, we roasted these pecans in advance, and you can use any nut, but we're going to do pecans today.
Okay.
And just set them on the parchment paper.
So you can use like almonds, peanuts, whatever you like, right?
Almonds are very popular as well,
Okay.
and walnuts.
How many? Just like a few?
About 5 or so, yeah.
Okay. All right. That looks pretty good.
Okay. And then we're going to take the melted caramel, which we melted in the microwave, and we're just going to just put a dab of it on top of the pecans.
Do you use a spatula?
I think it's easier because those small spatulas work really well.
Just like that?
Yeah, and if you touch all the pecans, then they stay together a little bit better.
Okay, how long did you say you melt the caramel for?
In 30-second increments until you can stir it.
Okay,
Yeah,
there's
like
one.
that.
Oh my gosh, it's okay to make
It's
a mess.
pretty gooey. That's the great thing about turtles. They do not have to look good. They just have to taste good.
That's not gonna be hard to do. All right, let's try that.
Okay.
How's that?
Great.
Okay.
And then the chocolate just goes right on top.
You don't have to wait for this to harden or anything?
Not really. It hardens really fast.
Okay, I'm gonna have you do the chocolate
Okay,
part.
sure.
Okay, do the chocolate. So how did you melt the chocolate? How long?
Again, 30-second increments. If you add a little coconut oil, then it makes it nice and shiny, and then it looks really pretty in the end. And if you take the spatula and just swirl it around a little, then it looks pretty too.
Okay, you said something there, increments. Don't melt a bunch of chocolate all at once, right?
It burns. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that looks so good.
So then we can put an almond on top, or I mean a pecan on top to decorate it if we want to, or we could do sea salt.
Okay.
Sea salt looks nice.
A little bit of sea salt? Mm-hmm. Okay, and then after you make these, not that they would last very long, but if you're gonna store turtles, how do you store them?
You can just store them in an airtight container.
Really, and they'll last for a long time?
Yeah, a couple weeks.
Okay, a little bit of salt?
Yeah.
That's it?
Sea salt and chocolate is so
That was
popular
like the
these
easiest
days.
thing to do. Not even I can mess that up.
I know, right?
Let me try it and see what it tastes like. I like it with the pecans.
Yeah.
But people also use dark chocolate?
Yeah. Dark chocolate's also really popular. You can buy, I mean, today we use Guittard just chocolate chips, which you can get very easily at the grocery store.
Okay. Oh my God. And then did you put these in the freezer or refrigerator?
I did, only to make them, they're hardened faster that way.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. All right. Now I'm chewing this. I hear you have like a little trivia for me right now.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so just so you need to know some things about World Chocolate Day.
That's right.
Okay.
So I have a few questions
You have all the
for you,
answers?
Malou. Are you ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
All right, here we go. It's all about chocolate today. Question number 1, true or false? White chocolate is not really true chocolate.
What chocolate is not really true chocolate?
White.
Oh, white chocolate is not really true chocolate.
Yeah.
Yeah, white chocolate is not chocolate. Because I love white chocolate, and I know that.
And that is absolutely true. Technically, it's not chocolate because it doesn't contain chocolate solids. Okay, you ready for question 2?
All right.
All right, here we go. True or false? There really was a chocolate river.
No, there was no chocolate river.
You are wrong. There actually was a chocolate river. Where? It's the magic of filmmaking.
Oh, okay.
During
Willy Wonka?
Yes, during the filming of Willy Wonka.
It was
the
real.
chocolate factory. The crew mixed 15,000 gallons of water with chocolate and cream to make a chocolate river.
No chocolate for me.
No faith in it there for the Oompa Loompas.
Okay.
Question number 3, true or false? Americans eat more chocolate than people in Switzerland.
True.
That is actually false.
What?
The Swiss eat more chocolate than Americans.
I eat more chocolate than the Swiss then.
They probably weren't going per capita. The Swiss eat more chocolate than Americans, just over 11 pounds of chocolate each year per person.
What?
Per person.
Okay,
11
one more
pounds.
question?
One more.
Final.
Question number 4, true or false? Americans prefer milk chocolate over dark chocolate.
False.
That is actually true. Government data shows 49%
No
for
chocolate
milk,
for me.
34% per dog. I know.
All right. Thank you very much, Diana.
Thank you.
Okay. Jess and Danny, maybe you guys will get all the right answers. What holiday in 2021 sold the most chocolate? Was it Easter or Halloween?
Halloween.
Easter.
What?
Easter.
What?
Final answer? Easter. It's Easter.
How
No chocolate for you, Jess. Sorry.
That's, well,
Yeah, we're not
I
facts
know.
behind that one.
yeah. Well,
Yeah, right?
Lulu,
Yeah.
you and I are the same. We just eat the chocolate. We don't know the facts. We just eat it. So
I eat all the chocolate. And on that note, look at all my little our little extras over here. Say hi, everybody. Look, they're all here working for free. They're all eating chocolate. They probably have all the right answers, too.
that's right. Champions.
Happy World Chocolate Day.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Lulu. We're expecting our
Thank you.
box of chocolate soon.
Yes.
So thank you very much.
Okay.